Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now the day 2, variation, heredity, and survival. Objectives: identify the roles of variation and heredity in natural selection. Number 2, analyze a simple survival situation by matching traits to environmental conditions, and value the importance of biodiversity and genetic variation in the survival of the species. Motivational activity: trait match challenge. The teacher presents different organism traits orally or on flashcards. Learners raise the one finger if the trait may help survival in a dry environment, two fingers if it may help survival in a wet environment, and three fingers if it may help in both. Okay, sample traits: thick waxy leaves. Number 2, webbed feet, camouflage color, long roots, wide leaves, strong beak, waterproof feathers. Okay, processing. Learners explain why some traits are useful only in certain environments while others may be useful in many situations. Okay, let us have this scenario: the island seeds and the birds. On a small island, birds eat seeds from different plants. Some birds have small, thin beaks, while others have large, strong beaks. During a long dry season, most soft seeds disappeared. Only large, hard seeds remained. After a few months, birds with stronger beaks were seen more often. Okay, let us answer these guide questions. What variation exists among the birds? Okay, yung pagkakaiba ng kanilang tuka. The birds have different beak sizes and shapes. What environmental change happened on the island? Okay, the dry season caused soft seeds to become fewer, leaving mostly hard seeds. So, kumbaga yun ang pinakamadali kasi sa lahat ng uri ng beak ng ibon, kayang kainin yung soft. Which birds were more likely to survive and why? Okay, birds with large, strong beaks were more likely to survive because they could crack and eat hard seeds. So, syempre, yung may hinang tuka, kapag naubos na yung soft, wala na silang makakain. And how is heredity involved in this situation? If strong beak traits are inherited, surviving birds can pass the trait to their offspring. Why is variation important for survival? Okay, variation gives some organisms traits that may help them survive when the environment change. Okay, ito yung sample dun sa scenario. Variation in beaks, the environmental change, differential survival, heredity, and change over time. Okay, the island bird scenario. And why it matters. So, explains adaptation. Organisms become better suited to their environment. And why it matters. Different environments and selection pressures can lead to different traits and even new species. The connection in nature: traits affect survival, reproduction, and interaction among living things. Okay, variation provides differences. Heredity passes traits into offspring. Together, they drive evolution through natural selection. Okay, variation refers to the differences in traits among individuals of the same species. These differences may include color, size, body structure, resistance to disease, or feeding ability. In natural selection, variation is important because the environment does not affect all organisms in the same way. Heredity is the passing of traits from parents to offspring. For natural selection to lead the evolutionary change, helpful traits must be heritable. If a trait helps an organism survive but cannot be passed to offspring, it will not become more common in future generations. In the island bird scenario, birds had different beak types. When soft seeds became scarce, birds with stronger beaks had an advantage. So they were able to eat the remaining hard seeds. If these birds survived and reproduced, their offspring might also inherit strong beaks. After many generations, strong beaks could become more common in the bird population. Okay, variation and heredity work together in natural selection. Variation provides the differences among organisms, while heredity allows helpful traits to be passed on. So, yung variation, ito yung pagkakaiba ng mga organisms para kung saan naka-survive yung iba sa iba't ibang situation. Okay, discussion highlights. Variation means differences in traits among individuals of the same species. Heredity means the passing of traits from parents to offspring. Variation is important because environments can change. Heritable helpful traits may become more common over generations. Natural selection depends on both variations and heredity. For conclusion, variation gives organisms different chances of survival in changing environments. Heredity allows successful traits to be passed to the next generation. Together, variation and heredity help explain how natural selection can lead to evolutionary change. Okay, individual worksheet activity, survival traits analysis. Read each situation, identify the helpful trait, explain how it helps the organism survive, and state whether the trait may be passed to offspring if it is inherited. Okay, ito yung sample na worksheets. Sige, bigyan tayo ng sample answer. A lizard lives in a sandy area. Some lizards have light brown skin, while others are dark green. Predators hunt them during the day. Paano daw, anong trait daw ang makakatulong doon? Okay, the light brown skin. Bakit ito makakatulong? Paano? It helps camouflage in the sun. So, kumbaga ay halos kakulay niya yung sun. So, hindi siya mapapansin ng mga predators. So, can it affect future generations? Okay, yes, if the color trait is inherited. Number 2, a plant grows in a dry place. Some plants have deep roots while others have shallow roots. Ano yung helpful trait dito? So, yung deep roots. How the traits help survival? Help the plant get water underground. Okay, if root traits are inherited. Okay, yung number 4 at 5, kaya nang sasagot niyan. Okay, for exit reflection, learners complete the following statements. One thing learned about variation is blank. Heredity is important in natural selection because. And number 3, one question is still in mind.